today's fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. Learning how to say no effectively is a key skill to stay focused and productive. This video shares simple techniques to help you say no politely and avoid distractions that waste your time. First, understand why saying no is important. Saying yes to everything can overwhelm you and reduce your ability to focus on your priorities. When you say no, you protect your time and energy for what really matters. Technique 1. Be clear and direct. When someone asks for your time or attention, respond clearly. Instead of a vague answer, say, "No, I can't do that right now." Being direct avoids confusion and shows that you respect both your own time and the other person's. Technique 2. Use the broken record method. If someone pushes you after you say no, repeat your answer calmly. For example, say, "I'm sorry, but I can't help with that today." Again and again until they understand. This technique helps you stay firm without being rude. Technique 3. Offer alternatives. If you want to say no but still help, suggest another option. For example, say, "I can't join the meeting, but I can review the notes later." Offering alternatives shows that you are helpful while still protecting your time. Technique 4. Set boundaries in advance. Let people know your availability before they ask. For example, tell your coworkers or friends, "I'm focusing on a project until 4 p.m., so I won't be available." Setting boundaries makes it easier to say no when requests come up. Technique 5. Prioritize your tasks. Focus on your most important work first. When distractions come, ask yourself, is this task urgent or important? If not, say no or postpone it. This way you spend your time on what truly matters. Technique 6. Use technology to help turn off notifications on your phone and computer. Use apps or settings that block distracting websites during work time. Technology can be a powerful tool to help you say no to distractions. Technique 7. Practice saying no regularly. Like any skill, saying no gets easier with practice. Start with small requests and gradually learn to say no to bigger distractions. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Remember, saying no is not selfish. It is a way to respect your goals, your time, and your well-being. By using these techniques, you can avoid distractions and stay focused on what's most important. Thank you for watching. Use these techniques today and take control of your time and focus. If you want more helpful tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.